Hi and welcome to today's SolidWorks video. Today I'm going to be drawing a mug and I'll be demonstrating what happens when you get the order of things wrong in SolidWorks and then how you can easily rectify that. I've been drawing this mug in SolidWorks and I've found myself a problem. I wanted to create the mug, and I did that by creating a cylinder and then using a shell feature, and then I wanted to create a handle. To draw the handle, I did a swept boss base. The problem is I've now ended up with a handle that is inside the mug, and I want this space to be blank or empty. It's a problem that's been caused because of the order that I did things. Did the shell before I did the sweep. If I had have done that in a different order and put the shell in after the sweep, then there wouldn't be any material here inside the mug. Over here on the left hand side is a history. You can roll back by clicking this little line, and you can see the changes that were made as they were made. Another thing you can do is you can change the order that these were placed in. For example, fillet 1 refers to this 10mm fillet down there, and that was done after the shell. If I wanted that fillet to be translated into the shell feature, I should have done it first. Instead, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click and hold that shell feature, and then I'm going to drag and move it below fillet 1. And there you can see that the fillet has translated into the inside of that mug. Likewise, I can also move that shell feature down below sweep 1, and you'll see that has fixed the problem. You'll see there that it has broken the top fillet that I had here. This is fillet 2, which was a 1mm fillet on the face. In order to fix that, I can just move that down below shell 1, and there you can see the mug has nice fillets at the top and the bottom, which are translated into the inside of the mug, and the handle of the mug is only on the outside and not on the inside. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed that video, and I look forward to showing you more in the next video.